Choosing the right belt sander machine can be tricky. Low power, unstable speed, noisy motors, and limited belt options often hold projects back. Whether you're into DIY polishing, metal grinding, knife making, or workshop finishing, the right belt sander makes all the difference. In today's video, I'll break down the top 5 best belt sander machines, from compact desktop units to powerful professional grinders. We analyzed specs, real user feedback, and performance value to build this list. Links with updated prices are in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. CNCEST Desktop Belt Sander 550 Watt. The CNCEST Desktop Belt Sander is a solid entry-level machine for DIY users and small workshops. Powered by a 550-watt motor, it delivers stable performance for polishing, grinding, and edge finishing tasks. Its compact desktop design saves space while still providing enough torque for metal and woodwork. The abrasive belt system runs smoothly with minimal vibration, helping maintain control and accuracy. Ideal for hobbyists, tool touch-ups, and light fabrication, this machine offers a good balance of power, size, and affordability. Number 4. FANG Mini Electric Belt Sander. The FANG Mini Electric Belt Sander is designed for versatility and precision. It supports both 110V and 220V power and includes 10 sanding belts for different grinding needs. This multifunctional machine handles polishing, cutting-edge sharpening, and fine grinding with ease. Its compact structure makes it perfect for home workshops, jewelry work, and detailed DIY projects. Smooth belt operation and easy belt replacement add convenience, making this sander a practical choice for users who want flexibility in a small form factor. Number 3. FANG Pneumatic Air Belt Sander Set. The FANG Pneumatic Belt Sander is built for precision industrial and automotive work. Using compressed air instead of electricity, it delivers consistent speed and excellent control for polishing and grinding tight spaces. The 10mm x 330mm belt size is ideal for detail work, weld smoothing, and surface finishing. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. This air-powered belt grinder is perfect for professionals who need accuracy, durability, and safe operation in workshop environments. Number 2. Tungfull Mini Belt Sander Machine 220V. The Tungfull Belt Sander Machine is a compact yet powerful solution for DIY grinding and polishing tasks. Running on 220V power, it provides stable performance for metal shaping, tool sharpening, and surface finishing. The package includes 10 sanding belts, allowing easy switching between coarse and fine grinding. Its small footprint makes it suitable for home workshops, while the sturdy build ensures long-term reliability. This machine is ideal for users who want strong performance without investing in a full-size industrial grinder. Number 1. SucceBuy 1.5 Kilowatt Belt Grinder. The SucceBuy 1.5 Kilowatt Belt Grinder is a professional-grade powerhouse built for serious work. Featuring a 2x82-inch belt system, variable and constant speed modes, and 3 grinding configurations, it's perfect for knife making, tool polishing, and heavy metal fabrication. The high-torque motor delivers smooth, aggressive grinding with excellent control. Its robust frame ensures stability during intense use. For professionals and advanced makers, this belt grinder offers unmatched performance, versatility, and long-term value. Belt sander machines save time, improve precision, and boost project quality. From compact DIY models to industrial-grade grinders, these 5 options cover every skill level and budget. Choose the one that fits your work style and upgrade your workshop today. Which one would you pick? Let us know below and subscribe for more tool reviews.